This is Priscilla Schaewe, also known as Coach Chata. How are you doing this evening? My daily tip of the day is rinse and repeat. What do I mean by rinse and repeat? Well, would you start in 90 days? You're doing exactly the same things every day. It's your method of operation. By you doing your emails, by you doing your goals, seeing what you're doing in your traffic, everything that you do in your business. You are doing rinse and repeating the same thing. But I'm doing a 90 days. It's what you start today is your tomorrow. So, it's what you start that you're doing. It's your thoughts, but you're connecting. You're showing people that they can do it too. Do you want to pay extra bills? Go on vacations? Have that freedom? I know I do. Is that your passion? Why you want to do something like this? I mean, especially when I have worked so many jobs. So I am turning around and doing a business that I am passionate about. That I want to do this. That is my why. So if you have a why, you've been struggling, you need to really do some daily goals, rinse and repeating those goals, connecting with people. So, if you want to rinse and repeat, go for those goals. I'm going to show you where you can turn around, be coached, be mentored by a community that is also helping you reach those goals of those 90 days pushes. But you know what? That's what you started. And it's going to help you. And it's going to show what you started. It's going to trickle down. It's already started for me. The trickling down effect. Showing people. I am going to help people find their passion in something they can start today. So, my solution of the day is to click off the link above and find out what a community and coaches and mentoring will do for you. But I have a special. It's $1 for 30 days. Look inside and see what they can really show you. And it's a community that's there. So, this is Coach Chata, also known as Priscilla Schaewe. Start this business. It's only 4 quarters. And you'll see why. That 90-day push, that coaching and mentoring, the goals, the daily method of operation will enhance and will start something passionate for you. Might be that vacation. It might be getting that car. It might be something else that you really want. Freedom? More time like I want? So, have a good evening. Bye-bye.